Um, that him again? No, no, that's a new customer. My apologies. My apologies. Let's see who we got for you today, man. We only really sell one thing here, so get that nice American flag. You heard? I've heard you have the biggest wieners around. Let me get one. Oh, you sure can get a big wiener here. Just let me guide you. Oh yeah, so we got that working. Get the buns, nice and toasty, simultaneously. You already know. Don't worry, ma'am. I got you with the perfect hot dog. Just trust me. I know what I'm doing. Ooh, perfecto. Boing. Can I? Nah, I can't. I can't take a raw one. Shut the. This thing is so useless, bro. I hate it. Yep. Right here. Nice. Coming up. Perfect hot dog for you. Or don't. No, 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 no. Why, bro? Why are you eating it like that? We give you delivery packages. Yo, these people in this town, bro. Where am I? Can there be like one, just like decently, they just on normal standards of weird person, bro? Oh. That doesn't look like a normal person, bro. Freak back. Oh, it's him, bro. You. Hey.
Hello again. Are you the proprietor of this fine?
I sure am.
You again? Proprietor? Dude, I don't know what that means. Did you come in to get one of those famous quick fix wieners? Well,
Yeah.
I
hope
do
so.
love a nice piece of flesh, but I'm in
Uh,
the mood for
what
something.
do you mean by
Well,
that?
If you aren't here for a wiener, what do you want?
Yeah. What do you want?
It seems I'm a little low on supplies. Do you happen to carry
What do you
any
mean,
staples?
What? No.
Why do you need staples this late?
Oh, nah.
Oh,
Kill him.
you could say I'm working on a little
Oh.
art project.
Yeah, can I see a picture of that art
man.
project?
It's none of my business. I think
Yo,
we have
bro.
some on the back shelf over there by the toilet.
Don't do this. Oh, this guy's so stupid.
Perfect.
You hear
Thank
this,
you.
man? You
I'll be
hear
seeing
this,
you
man?
again.
Look at him.
So,
He has blood on his teeth. How do you not recognize something, bro? This guy gotta be the stupidest person of all time. Genuinely, what goes through your mind? Oh, yeah, that's just a normal person. Like, what do other people look like? If you don't even question this guy. Leave? Oh, there's another guy. I can't even go to the back for staplers. What do you want me to do? You know, I'm not getting you your staples. Okay? Freak your staples. Come this way, ma'am. I've been waiting all day to get my hands on a wiener. Here you have. Okay. Think I'm gonna be back? Hope not. He is back, bro. I'm freaking ducking his hand into this fryer right here. I ain't playing no games. Call the police. Something. Sorry, ma'am. My dog will be ready in no time. Yep. Just as I said. Oh, that was fun. Give me the fun. As I said, ma'am, we have an ultra fast process here. Okay. Right here. Shut. What is with this ominous music when I literally put a hot dog on the bun? And nice. Okay. Fine. Oh, or not. See, now we have They keep getting more upright. Ma'am, are you gonna choke? Are you okay? Right. Sure. Sure thing. Do I gotta worry about that staple guy coming back? I don't hope so. That would be a pretty big issue, wouldn't it? Here today. Is that guy an officer? No, it's just some dude in a suit. Is that XX Tentacion? Give me a meaty, juicy one. But you say it like that. I mean, yes. Customer's always right, guys. Hold on, let me check out these characteristics. So his body. Nah, this ain't a normal human, bro. I mean, look at his face. It's like E.T. and XX Tentacion had a kid. I ain't follow you. Stupid. Oh my gosh, you idiot. I have to do this all over again. This didn't work. It gets pretty hot over here with all this oil. And you know, all the tension between these, well, yeah, don't move your hands, pal. I'm sure we got like a shotgun back here somewhere. We'll make me use it. Alright? Yeah, we'll just film that. Bro, why does this give me... Oh, you fucking... That's nice, juicy, as the customer wanted. Nice and thick right for you, sir. Oh, alright, bro. What is the guy gonna be next? I mean, like, crawling on all fours? Why are we playing the limbo while eating a hot dog? Rico. I don't want to see you my store yet. What? I mean, the stapler guy's still back. Everything's going normal. Nothing out of the ordinary. Let's see. Let's see. What the? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where did she go? Hey, you're. Whoa, 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 whoa. No. You didn't really go up here, did you? What are you holding?
Hey, Hexy.
You know my name.
Hey, Shrimp Queen.
What?
It's comfort food. Don't judge me.
Oh! He's sitting right there!
No judgment. Better than these wieners
Bro.
I'm selling. You don't want to
No.
know what's in them.
Oh
You
my...
should see some of the stuff I've scraped
Who's
off the floor
behind
at Gutter's
you?
End.
We are both
No,
living
bro.
the dream, eh?
We're both about to
You want a
die.
break?
How do you not see that?
One day we'll
What?
get out of this dump. Yeah.
But no,
Gotta
you
get back
won't.
soon. How much
You
I owe
won't
ya?
leave this store.
Don't worry about it. This one's on me. I'm feeling a little shrimp-athetic tonight.
Oh my...
Oh, you should be arrested for that one. Thanks, Hexy. I'll
No, you
see you
won't.
later.
You'll not see me later.
Have a good shift, Blair.
We're gonna see where he goes. Oh, he's literally watching her. Oh, she's so dead. Hey? Why are you still staring at her, bro? Freaking creep. Get out of my store. Oh. Why are you going low? What the freak is he doing? Wait, what? Oh, I didn't turn that on. What the Bro, what is going on? Ah! No. Where is he? Bro. It's so silent. I'm not leaving this corner. I'm not leaving this corner. It's not happening. Where the freak did he go? I don't see any customers. Nah, bro.
Shit, dude! What the hell is your problem? It seems
What
you're
is your
all
problem?
out of staples.
Yeah.
I'm getting pretty sick of your shit. I think you better
I'm
leave
too.
before I make you. Oh,
Oh.
that might be fun. I did see something I liked very much, but it's no longer here.
What do you mean by that?
What?
No.
See, this establishment doesn't employ the
The-
brightest. But
Yeah,
anyways,
I know.
I'll be on my way, my tattooed
Freaking police.
Yeah. Thanks for shopping at the Quick Fix. I
You don't
guess,
see
or
anything
whatever.
evil about this guy. Look at him. Look at him in the eyes. If he
By the way,
has any.
you might want to
Oh,
check out the restroom. The toilet is quite clogged.
I think I'm good, man. What the freak is wrong with you, bro? How did you manipulate the wiener type? Yeah,
Great.
get on.
Now I need to fix the toilet.
I'm not
Just
fixed,
what
bro.
I needed.
Serious. Alright, guys. I think I'm gonna end it here. This is. Hey, guys. Fudge. How do I mess? Retake. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you all enjoyed. And I will see y'all next time.